So here is the upgrade procedure for the SWIVEL 2X for piano windshield. First, remove the XLR connector using pliers, something like that. Then remove the knob and this screw. Cut the tie wrap. Release the female XLR connector and remove the suspension module. Unscrew the ends of the U-shape isolators. Extract it. Now you need to remove the internal hilt through the bellows. Unscrew the hilt from the cross. So here is the new kit. Please remove the XLR base and the knob. You notice the cable groove, but also the large one for the bellows all around. You now have to fix the new hilt with the cross using the provided screw and washer. Screw firmly, but not too much. At this point, you need to make a choice. Check if you have this kind of XLR body machine, very thin and light. Unfortunately, this one will not fit in the new holder, too thin and sleepy. Then you have two options. You can use a regular XLR body from the Neutrik XX series. This one will fit perfectly, especially if you make a small hole like this one, so you can lock the XLR with the knob. We can also provide our current XLR body, which provides a large groove. There we are. First, you can dismantle this part like that. Then insert the XLR through the bellows, follow by the swivel block. You protect the bellows with your fingers. You need to make sure that the bellows fits snugly into its groove, and also the cable fits well into its groove. Then reinstall the U-shape isolators. Reinstall this part, something like that. Screw the knob. Install the swivel base, pointing front, and secure the XLR. This loop must be adjusted so that the cable does not become taut during rotations. Reinstall the suspension module and the XLR. Little pin and the clip on the side. At this stage, you will notice that this loop has become shorter. That can be a problem if the XLR has to be positioned very far back. Then you need to find your compromise between the two loops. Therefore, if you need to reduce this loop, we suggest removing the feature of the swivel base rotation by replacing the knobs with the provided no-head screws. This one. Then place the base on the left and tighten the screw. Don't forget to install a new tie wrap here to fix the cable.